Hello and welcome to the new tutorial of Adobe Muse. I'm Tofik from AdobeMuseExpert.com, and today I'm going to talk about how you can add icons to your Muse website using icon fonts. Icons are a really important part of your website, and most of the time if you're not a designer you end up searching in Google for your icons, and most of the time you wouldn't get the appropriate icon that you're looking for. Even if you get the resolutions are not going to be that good, plus the color, and there are a lot of problems with legal issues and whether you can use it or not. So the best way is to use an icon font, and the two icon fonts that I'm going to talk about today are FontAwesome and Ionicons. They both have hundreds of icons that are free to use, so you can take advantage of those icons in a website, and all you have to do is just copy and paste those icons from their website. I've added those links into the description of this video so that you can just follow that link and then press Control F to open the Finder window, and then look for your icon. For example, I'm looking for the Facebook icon, and I'll type Facebook, and they have 4 versions of Facebook, so I'm gonna just copy one of those and go to my Muse website and create a text frame and Control V to paste it into the text frame as a text, and then change the font to FontAwesome. And as you see, that Facebook icon just popped up, and you can just increase the size to make it bigger. For example, I'm going to make it 50, and you can change this color by changing the color here, and change the alignment or whatever you want to do. You can do anything and everything that you wanted, and no matter how big you make, how large you want your icons, this icon's not going to be broken or the pixelated, because they're actually font, not any kind of image, but rather it's a font that are showing up in the website. And you can just select the icon and link it to your social media or whatever reason you're using the icon for. So you can just select the text frame and then link it to its destination. So let's go and see how can we add this into Muse. First, let's go ahead and download the fonts from the website. For FontAwesome, go to fontawesome.io, and for Ionicons, go to ionicons.com. I'm going to download the fonts using the download button. I'm going to do the same with the Ionicons. So I have both the fonts in my computer. Now let's hop into Muse and see how can we add these fonts as web font. Go to the folder where you've downloaded your fonts and then unzip the files. Inside of that folder you'll find a folder called fonts, and you'll find quite a few formats of the font, but we only need .woff, SVG, and then EOT. But we also need the TTF version to be installed in our computer. You can do it by double-clicking on the font, and then an install prompt window will come up, and then just install it. If you're using a PC, the process is going to be the same. Double-click, and then over here there will be a button called Install Fonts, and you can install it by clicking that button. Once the installation has been done, go to Muse, click File, Add or Remove Web Fonts, and go to Self-Hosted tab by clicking on this, and then click the button that says Add Fonts. You can browse your fonts by this Browse button, but the easier way is to drag those 3 formats of fonts in this window. So press down your Command or Control key on your keyboard and select .woff, .svg, and .eot format, and then drag them into the window. Once you do that, the 3 formats of fonts will be listed here. Check this box, ensuring that you have the right to use the font, and then click Continue. Then click OK, and FontAwesome is added to your Muse as a web font. You can follow the same steps for Ionicon as well. Just go to the folder and find the fonts folder, Install the TTF version of font in your computer and drag .eot, .svg, and .woff into Muse, and that font will be also available in your web font section over here. All you have to do now is just copy an icon and paste it into your Muse website in a text frame, and as long as you selected the right font, it's ready to go. And I'm going to preview this page into the browser to see the icon. As you can see, the icons are really pop and looking really great. So this is how you add icon fonts into your Muse website. And if you think this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, go ahead and ask me into the comment section below. I will answer those questions as soon as possible.